Welcome everyone. Today you'll be joining us on a tour of the KAMX Miami radar, located in Miami-Dade County in South Florida. Looking up, you will see the radome where the antenna of the radar sits, the pedestal, and the stairs. As we climb the stairs up to the pedestal and radome of the radar, you'll be treated to spectacular views all around. The reason for this is the radar must be built much higher than anything surrounding it, in this case houses, trees, and other buildings. This will allow for the radar to see clearly in the skies above and not be obstructed. Inside the radome, which is the soccer ball looking figure, there is the antenna of the radar, which is connected to numerous wires and cables that take the data back to the National Weather Service, as well as the apps and radar screens you see on your TV. The Miami radar is a WSR-88D, the newest generation of radars in the National Weather Service. It was installed in April 1993 and commissioned in April 1995. This radar replaced the previous Miami radar that was unfortunately lost during Hurricane Andrew in 1992. Since its inception in April 1995, the radar has been working 24/7, 365 days of the year. Our radar technician makes sure that the radar is maintained properly and serviced routinely to ensure that the National Weather Service can continue to interrogate storms correctly and issue real-time warnings to keep you and the public safe. Thank you for taking this tour today with us, and we hope you enjoyed this video.